All right, we're doing some video coverage on the LG. This is the N1T1 NAS unit. So it's a combination NAS unit, external optical, and USB drive. So I'm using their NAS detector software, and I have successfully located the LG NAS. So that was easy. Would you like to create a desktop icon for the selected NAS network folder? Yes. Okay, that was relatively simple. So why don't we do a quick speed test? And then I'm actually going to, I've installed two pieces of LG's software, the NAS monitor and the NAS detector. So I'm launching the NAS monitor right now. You can see I just used their disk and click on those and then install them. So here we've got the NAS monitor launching hopefully shortly. Is this it? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so about NAS monitor, open, why don't we open the web menu? Here we go. So, I don't have a user ID. It must have a default one. I'm going to try admin with no password. Sometimes it's admin. I may have to come back shortly. Hey, it's admin. That was easy. Okay. So we've got a bunch of different stuff in here. You can see that we have the basics of our NAS. So usage amount is all at around 1%. We've got the firmware revision. The fan is set to silent. Let's see what else we can look at here. So here's all of our network info. So it's the system name, system description. You can change all that good stuff. IP address, you can set it to obtain one manually or not. System time. We have a number of other things that we can check out here. So power, it has different power settings, okay? That's pretty neat. Wow, it's got a ton of stuff in here. You can do firmware updates from within this, this menu right here. See mail notification, so you can get mail notification when, let's see, notification trigger hard drive status reports. Okay, cool. You can set up user accounts. As well as shared folder names. You can do file backups, so you can, it looks like you can back up to DVD, which would be kind of neat. Okay, so it's actually got built-in burning software right into the web menu, so you throw a DVD in there and you can back up anything from your hard drive to the disk. You can rename your disk to something else. That's kind of cool. It has a backup button, so that's for the optical drive, data backup or backup to image. So you have a couple different options. You can schedule backups, you can do USB backup, and it also supports Apple Time Machine. So you can set it to which volumes you want to back up. So you can do torrents, you can have a network printer, it's a file server, and finally it's got an iTunes server as well as the DLNA. Okay, so that is pretty much all I wanted to say about this particular menu. Let's do a quick performance test. So I have okay, I guess we'll know pretty quick whether or not it's working at gigabit speeds, but I have a movie file. So this is a 266 megabyte file, and I'm going to go ahead and cut and paste it into the public volume. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, I need permission. Okay, maybe I won't put it in there. Okay, let's try X hard drive. Cut. Oh, okay, maybe I just need to enter that admin, because you can set up different stuff. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so paste. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, so far that's looking at kind of like, that's looking at about like 1000 speeds, but we will know for sure when we actually do the read test from the NAS. So remember, if you want to know exactly how fast it's going, don't use this number here, the one there. Instead, you should use the total size of the file, 266 megs, over the amount of time it took to copy paste it. So let's go ahead and paste that to the desktop and let's see if that goes any faster. Yes, it is. So the write speeds are a little bit limited on this particular NAS, but the read speeds are quite good at over 30 megabytes per second. And don't forget that it has the capability with the switch on the back to be used with a simple USB cable, which they do include in the box. So you just got a straight USB A to A cable, and then all you do is flick the switch right here and you can change it to an external optical drive or to an external hard drive that operates off USB just with the flick of a button. So right now you can see I have it set to NAS, and I'm going to move the camera close to it just to demonstrate that you cannot hear that fan at all. In fact, I think it's off right now. I heard it spin up when it turned on, so it is not defective, but it's gone ahead and turned it off because there is no need for the fan to cool the hard drive when it's not doing anything really intensive. So that's the silent setting that we saw before. Thank you for checking out my performance test of the LG Network Storage N1T1.